Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to delete your Betway account. Before getting started, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in betway.com. Once you type it in, it will take you to this web page. Now on this web page, you'll have to log into your account, so click on this login button. Then in this pop-up, you'll have to enter your username and your password, so go ahead and do that. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Once you have entered your credentials, click on this login button. After that, you'll have to click on this support button, then click on help. Then it will take you to this page. On this page, click on this icon where it says contact us. Then it will show you a process to contact Betway. Follow this process, and once you get in contact, ask them to delete your account. Or you can also go to your Gmail and then type in this address. And then on subject, you can type in account deletion, and in the body area, you can explain your reason to close your account. Once you do that, click on the send button, and once you send out the email, they will try to help you delete your account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.